Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit note in Xero. This is essential for keeping your accounts accurate and removing any credit notes that were created by mistake or are no longer needed. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to get access to all of Xero's features. This will give you the opportunity to explore the platform and manage your financial records effectively. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your business finances. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu at the top of the screen, as this is where you'll access all the key tools and features Xero offers. Now look at the top navigation menu and click on Purchases. This will open an expanded menu with several options related to your purchasing activities. From this expanded menu, select Bills. This section is where Xero stores all your bills and related documents, including credit notes. Once you're on the Bills page, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your bills with different statuses displayed in your Xero account. This page gives you a complete overview of your purchasing records. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the Awaiting Payment section. Click on this section to proceed. This is where the credit notes are located. Browse through the listed credit notes and select the one you wish to delete. Simply click on it to open the full details. This step is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the correct credit note before proceeding with deletion. Once selected, you'll be presented with the credit note overview page. Here you can review all the details, including the items listed and the date of this credit note. Take a moment to verify that this is indeed the credit note you want to remove, as this ensures you're not deleting anything important by accident. Now locate the Credit Note Options button on the top right corner of this page and click on it. This button gives you access to various actions you can take regarding this credit note. It's positioned prominently so you can easily manage your credit notes whenever needed. An expanded selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Void to delete this credit note. Voiding a credit note effectively removes it from your active records while maintaining an audit trail in Xero. The system may take a moment to process this action, so be patient while the changes are being saved. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a credit note in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.